This is Brett with Roof MD. We are in Louisville, Kentucky. Homeowner's got a leak on this back section. As you may be able to see, the roof is nearly flat. So it has a rise and run of roughly 1.5 and 12, which means that for every 12 feet horizontal, it goes up 1.5. Code plus manufacturer's requirements require anything under a 2 and 12 to have a flat application roofing system. So that could include things like rolled composition, TPO, rubberized roof, EPDM, some metals, but you cannot put shingles on it because it does not shed water well enough, and that water will access all the thousands of nail holes that are involved in nailing this shingle down. So not surprising it's leaking. This is a super common problem because permits aren't pulled for these things. They're not required, and roofers know this is the cheapest way to do it, so they'll underbid the job and get the job, and then the problem will arise and they're gone, especially if they only warranty their work for 1 year. So this person won the job, probably made a lot of money. This is quite a big project, and now it's failing. He has to redo it the right way, so it's going to end up costing him even more. In this case, the homeowner wants to go with a metal roof, so we're most likely looking at a standing seam, but we're going to have to do all this from both sides, integrate into these pitched areas. That's going to need to be metal roof. That is also under pitched. It's actually very soft right here, and you can see they've done multiple things to try and stop the leak. Sealants, different other things they were trying. None of it's working. What's getting rotted there. So the bottom foot to 2 feet of shingles needs to be taken off on all the steeper pitch parts. Everything else needs to be torn out. Replace any damaged wood. Then we ideally want to put a high temperature ice and water shield on the whole deck as an added protection before we install a standing seam metal roof on here. It's going to look quite beautiful. It's not cheap. It's actually one of the more expensive ways to go on this project, but that's what they're looking for. Cheapest route would be to do like a rolled composition. So it basically has a granular look like these shingles, except it comes in big 3-foot wide sheets. It's designed for low slope. It's a multi-layer system, and you could use that as well. So that'd be your cheaper route, but it won't last as long as the metal. So there you go. Don't hire the cheapest guy because he'll end up being the most expensive guy in the long run.